Motherfuckers, shit started. Yeah, it's on. Hold on. Yeah, this shit is all the way. Seems to be running smooth. I got no fucking housing plate right now, but it's all good. Shut the water off? What happened?
This hose is this way, the right way?
What happened?
Dick, what's this hose here?
Which hose?
Is this goes in here?
Yeah, there's a third hose. You didn't see that?
No.
Huh.
Push it in.
Why? The water was just going straight into the fucking tank?
Push it in. Alright.
Yo, the water was going in there? Hold up, yo, my hand is here, Vic.
Nothing here. There's no propellant, Dick.
Still, my hand was there. Motherfucker. That's a lot of fucking white smoke, Dick.
Cleaning everything now.
That's the smell of victory, baby. Now we just got one more shit to do and fucking we're finished here. Supposed to be shaking that much?